Shut off all pool equipment by turning off all the electrical breakers. This will prevent any power surge from damaging all your expensive equipment at the pool. Do not throw any furniture inside the pool. This may cost you unrepairable stain marks in the pool, and that's going to cost you a tremendous amount of money to fix it. Let the professionals handle the cleanup and restoration. Be patient. Someone will show up to your pool. Remember, everyone is having the same issue. If possible, add at least chlorine to your pool. This will prevent the pool from turning green in order to wait until someone shows up. If you want to have the best experience to use your pool equipment, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.